What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about our OMNI RGB perimeter lighting demo kit and how to put it together. There's a bunch of parts that you need to assemble for this kit that'll help you get some hands-on experience before you jump into your first job. So we're going to go over the details of how everything goes together. That way you guys know how to put it together. You can do some demos for your customers, make some money. Let's go. So guys, we have in our UFO and our females right here. And this is something super easy to do, first time explanation. So on this side, we have our power in. We can either use a wire straight from the transformer or one of the plugs that comes with. And this is our side that's got an outside. Now you can see on this, we have our voltage positive, data, and ground twice. This is gonna repeat exactly the same out of both of these. So if you put two females, one out of both, they're gonna do exactly the same thing and they're not gonna be able to control individually. So here's our female adapter plug. Super important with this is that it's going to go in with your white side is going to be your power, your middle wire is going to be your data, and the only side that's left is going to be your ground. With this, these factory ends are not stripped long enough to put in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them off and then strip them a little longer. So we have our white wire, our center wire, and our ground wire. We're gonna come over here to our UFO. So we're gonna open up that one port so the wire will fit inside of it. You can see these are closed. We have our white wires, our voltage positive. It's gonna stick right in.
On this side, that's all this was with 80.
And we're gonna close it down.
These 2007 it'll be still the bad.
Give the tug test. And it's good. So now we have our female attached. Something you want to make sure of is that you have no copper exposed at the top of your wires. All you want to see is that jacket. All the copper should be down in the bottom. And it's connected just like that. White to power, center's data, end is ground. Let's keep putting this together. So this is our OMNI demo kit transformer right here. This is a 150 watt, real easy, simple transformer. Nothing crazy about it. Not gonna power a ton of lights, but it's gonna be perfect for our demo kit. So something we wanna look at is on the side right here. This transformer can be used for either 230 volt or a 120 volt input. So right now it's set to 230, so we need to make sure we slide that little switch till it says 115. And now it's gonna work with American Power. Right here, we have our voltage in, voltage out. So the L, the load, the neutral, and the ground are gonna be coming from our wall power using this little thingy. And your V plus, V negative is gonna be your low voltage required to power your system. If you mess these up, your system's gonna be fried, and you're gonna come to me and tell me it doesn't work, and I'm gonna tell you, well, it's because you didn't watch my video on how to do it. So if you're watching this, it's good. So, got a little handy dandy screwdriver here again, and we're gonna go to our V plus and V minus first. So you can see in the bottom, as you unscrew it, it allows that little plate to come up. And we're gonna take our little dongle thingy over here. And I know this might mess some people up. We had white power on this side. This is gonna be red power over here. And we're going to take it, stick it underneath those two little plates, and we're just gonna tighten that back down. Again, making sure no copper is exposed, only the jackets.
Yeah.
Next thing, we're gonna unscrew our L, N, and our ground. So we're gonna take our wires right here. Our black's gonna be our load. Our white's gonna be our neutral, and our green is going to be our ground. Gonna tighten that right up in there. So now we have the proper installation of our power cord in and our power cord out that get hooked up to our UFO. If your UFO does not come with a power cord and you want to know how to get power to it, it comes with these two convenient little ports right here. Let's say V plus and V minus. So conveniently, we can take a little piece of our jumper wire. Again, this is just 16-2 landscape lighting wire. We're gonna strip it, and we can use this to create our own little power cord. So we're gonna connect our two wires to our transformer, and then you connect your two wires to your V positive, V negative, and that's the second way you can get power into your UFO. Again, you could either use this or this, doesn't matter which one you use, they both work the same way.